this is interesting. So there's an energy that's hitting me right now in the back of my head and in my jaws. I'll show you. It's right here. And it's pain. There's somebody got a headache. I almost feel like I want to crack my neck. And this is where it's really hard. And I have to get my kind of my own ego out of my head. I have no idea if this is mine or if this is somebody else's in here that I'm just picking up on. So now what I do is when I feel the pain, I ask the pain to alleviate itself from my body, get out. I don't want to feel the pain. Information's great. So if the sensation can be there without being painful, then I'll take that. It's like literally come out of nowhere, which makes me sus, you know? It's really weird. It's like it's all through, it's just shooting right here. It stops right here, right kind of at the top of my ears. It's like right in here. Anyway, information. We'll see what happens when we start the Reiki connection and see if it goes away. See, now there's information and the pain is gone. I can feel the headache, but there's no pain associated with it. I wish I could explain this better, guys. I'm sorry, I can't. So I know that there's a tension there, and I feel the tension, but the pain is gone. Things that make you think, eh?